इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना.
Home away from home. Here I spent the best time of my life as I met new friends, met the teachers who took care about me, like my parents. The memories that this garden gave us definitely the treasure to cherish for the rest of our life. This entrance and the entry towards the school through this gate, most time with a bunch of happiness, we all entered this campus. I still remember my first day at the school, hanging on my ma's hand, wearing uniform and huge bag for the first time, to a world that was unknown for me. Later, I found more hands of love in the school campus through my teachers, didis, bhaiyas and my friends. With new hopes and tryst, we climb the essence of our life daily. Sometimes with little fear because of exams and incomplete homeworks. And what should I speak about this? A classroom. Yeah. We learned the basic alphabets to complex trigonometric equations just being here. It was also a place where we expressed our love and affection to each other, a hole with walls around, where I shared my interest, feelings, sadness and sorrows. And we were lucky to have the taste of sumptuous meals and dishes from the fellow students too. My friends, we laughed each other, we fought each other, we teased each other, but they were my everything. We enjoyed the rainy seasons in our own way. Punishments from the teachers for playing in rain was something that always awaited after a fun time. Here we spent the most time in intervals and PT periods. The daily assemblies made us disciplinary crackers, a stage to express myself in its fullness. Here in the playground we expressed our determinations and thirst to win. Packing the bags and running down the steps was comparatively quicker. Oh, teachers used to compare us to professional athletes. Running towards my mother at the gate and hugging her, nothing on earth could give me more happiness than that ever. While walking back home, we discussed about the next day, about the homework, PT periods and much more. Every evening we returned back home with an expectations to come back to our world on the next day. But then, on such an evening, something unexpected happened and we were not able to return to our classroom henceforth. A virus from nowhere destroyed our happiness, dreams and hopes. Now I know how much I love my school, friends and teachers. Our hopes and happiness were confined between the boundaries of our house. Instead of the sound of school bell, we are hearing the loud siren of ambulance. 6-inch smartphones taken away the role of our school, classroom and teachers. Hey Corona, why did you come into our life? How did you curtail and capsize our dreams? I miss almost everything. My classroom, benches and desks on which we played tablas and drums. I miss my teachers. I want to run through the verandas with my naughty friends. Hey Corona, look at that blackboard. Shall I not write few lines on it from my memories past? Arre, I wish to have a write on this again. Hey Corona, please go away from our world. I won't go back to my school, won't see my teachers, want to fight with my friends. हमको पढ़ना है, आगे बढ़ना है.
शिक्षा का सूरज है निकला, हो रहा है अब उजाला, आंखें खोलो.
हमको भी है लिखना पढ़ना, हमको भी है आगे बढ़ना, तुम भी बोलो. शिक्षा का सूरज है निकला, हो रहा है अब उजाला, आंखें खोलो. हमको भी है लिखना पढ़ना, हमको भी है आगे बढ़ना, तुम भी बोलो.
जो नहीं पढ़ सकता उसके सामने जैसे अंधेरा है.
जो नहीं पढ़ सकता उसको एक मजबूरी ने घेरा है.
कितनी ही मजबूरियां शिक्षा मिटा देगी.
उन्नति के रास्ते शिक्षा दिखा देगी.
उम्र चाहे जो भी हो,
मैं कहूँ और तुम कहो,
कभी भी
कहीं भी, कभी भी, कहीं भी हमको पढ़ना है, आगे बढ़ना है. हमको पढ़ना है, आगे बढ़ना है.
मजरे पा मा बनी धनी पा,
मा पनी धनी पा मा परे,
सारे मगा मगा मा,
सारे पा मा परे,
रे मा धनी नि सनी. जिंदगी की गाड़ी के दो पहिए हैं, ये पुरुष और नारी.
इनमें से हो एक भी अनपढ़ तो ये कठिनाई है भारी.
नारी पढ़ लेगी तो अपने बच्चों को भी वो पढ़ाएगी.
अपने जीवन को भी नारी हर तरफ बेहतर बनाएगी.
उम्र चाहे जो भी हो,
मैं कहूँ और तुम कहो,
कभी भी
कहीं भी, कभी भी, कहीं भी हमको पढ़ना है, आगे बढ़ना है. हमको पढ़ना है, आगे बढ़ना है.
Rising up at the early morning, having breakfast with the tone कि आज तो लेट हो जाएगा. Riding cycle at the highest speed we can and coming with a friend at the gate. Entering the school by saying good morning sir, good morning ma'am, and putting steps forward towards the stairs by thinking that what are the new things should I share with my friends today. And then choosing a perfect bench for gossips, high fives and blasting of balloons together. Yeah, you may be missing your classes and benches, and even they are also missing you. Good morning all of you. My name is Harshita Devangan, a student of 10th from incomparable and matchless doors of Vishwadipti. How easy it was to attend the classes before, and I would say that how adorable that life was in comparison to the life that we are living today. Just by sitting in home, neither we can go outside nor we can play with our friends, no traveling, nothing enthusiastic at all. Yeah, I know, even if we are having online classes, then there are lakhs of obstacles in learning from it also. sometimes that poor connection, sometimes unavailability of mobiles and laptops in home, hesitation in asking doubts to your teachers, and then problems in completing notes and all. But my dear friends, you all are fab ones, because I know that you still have a very strong desire to gain knowledge, to gain good marks, and to be called as a literate guy. Never lose your hope, man, because if darkness in the night will not come, then how the bright sun will arise, isn't it? And today, just our day, behind our expectations, behind our complaints, just think about the efforts and problems that our teachers are facing for us. When all the people are running to save their lives, our teachers came forward to teach us so that our time should not be wasted. As I am in 10th, so I and my friends know that how important our board exam to us, and the teachers who are helping us in the period of pandemic are so valuable to us. They can take leave or can have their job in any other department, but instead of it, they are helping us to enrich us in our studies. I would like to give my hearty thanks to all those teachers who are helping us, who are selflessly providing us classes during this lockdown. And I hope that you will never let us to lay down. And that's all what I wanted to say. So my dear friends, let's start our new session 2021 to 22 with great joy and a very strong desire that for us, no matter what this corona can do and what it will do, but we can learn and we will crack it together. Thank you.
आदरणीय अभिभावक बंधुवर एवं प्रिय बच्चों, आप सभी को विश्वदीप्ति विद्यालय परिवार की ओर से सादर प्रणाम करता हूँ। आशा करता हूँ कि आप सब अपने अपने घरों में सुरक्षित होंगे। कोरोना काल की इस घड़ी पर शिक्षा पर बड़ा असर पड़ा है। कोरोना काल की वजह से शिक्षक और बच्चों की जो दूरी बनी है उसमें काफ़ी परेशानी भी हुई है, लेकिन आपका समय समय पर सहयोग एवं मार्गदर्शन की वजह से आपने हमारा सहयोग किए हैं, उसके लिए मैं पुनः धन्यवाद देता हूँ। आगामी वर्ष 2021-22 में शिक्षा सत्र में हम ऑनलाइन के माध्यम से जो पढ़ाई करवाने जा रहे हैं उसमें आपका सहयोग, बच्चों उन्नत शिक्षा के लिए हम प्रयास कर रहे हैं, जिसमें आपकी भी भागीदारी हम चाहते हैं। और इसी के साथ आप घर पे सुरक्षित रहिए और स्वस्थ रहिए। धन्यवाद।
Dear parents and my dear loving students, good morning. I hope that you all are keeping fine. Dear friends, it is since 13th March 2020 to till now the school is being closed due to the novel corona. Many of us have lost our own relatives and friends during this pandemic period. Pandemic period will come and go, but the aspects of education has to move on. Therefore, Vishwadipti family, a temple of wisdom, welcomes you, everyone, for the new academic year. In this juncture, I must appreciate all the parents for their hard work, help and support during the last year for reaching out the education in the minds of our children. I hope this year also you will be supporting us, helping us in rendering or reaching out the education in a better manner. Special thanks to all the teachers. It is the help of the teachers last year. They have worked hard. They have taken lot of pain in giving education to our children. This year also they have adopted a new platform, shifted themselves to a new platform for teaching your children. I really welcome every teachers and parents and children to adopt into a new channel of learning. Once again, I welcome everyone, especially the new buds, the new children, to Vishwadipti family. Let us all together work hard for a new academic year. From this, let me inaugurate the new academic year 2021-22 be open. Thank you.
Opening the hearts and minds, we look for oceans of knowledge. We want to strain and gain, hang on and sing on. Say yes to life even in strife. Education is not spoon feeding of knowledge. It is the extraction of knowledge from the person. As the butterfly extracts honey from the flower, I am here to imbibe knowledge, wisdom, values and much more.
शिक्षा का सूरज है निकला, हो रहा है अब उजाला, आंखें खोलो